it going? Oh, we're twins today.
Wow, twinning.
How are you?
Doing good.
Good. Man, we're a little piled up with dubs in here.
Yeah, a few of them. The Ghias are taking over.
Yep. It's true.
Oh no, it's all about even right now.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, it's true. We got
2 Beetles.
3 Beetles.
3 Ghia. Oh, 3 Beetles. 3 Ghias. 2 buses.
3 Ghias. 4 buses.
Phew. And a Spook. Hello, hello. What you up to?
No camera stabilizer today?
It's humming. I think our gimbal is dead.
Oh.
It gave a good long life though.
So any of you guys out there who have a gimbal company, just go ahead and send us one. We'll give you some props.
There we go. Huh.
So, that's how we got the last one. I'm just doing final tune on secondary panels for Gazo.
Okay. Are you
Turn
painting?
that off. Huh?
You're painting soon, right?
Yeah, we're gonna. The main body's gonna go into color, which is actually a 2-stage color.
Nice.
We have a base white, and then we have some bling, 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 bling.
Ooh,
So that'll be fun.
sparkly.
Yeah. So
Is it a custom color?
yes,
What is it called?
I don't know yet. I got to see it.
Yeah, that's true.
So it's gonna be a fun one. It's got like blue frost, silver frost, and white frost.
Wow.
So it's
That's gonna pop.
It's gonna be frosty.
Frosty.
Yeah, pop back.
Yeah. Oh, there's another Ghia.
No, this is the one that we're
Oh,
gonna go
that's
into
the same.
color.
Okay, yeah.
So this one I spent the last couple days blocking it out to. I think I blocked this one to 600.
Uh-huh.
And then we did a chemical clean on it. So I just got to clear the booth out, and this is back here, which
Yeah.
won't go in because I got to show you something.
Oh, yeah.
So as you can see here, we got the final coat of sealer down, and what we do is we long block this as best we can, and until we get to a little bit of metal here and there, but the plane is correct. So as you look down the car, it doesn't do that.
Nice.
It doesn't do that. So come on back here. This is what I gotta get the booth cleared today.
Oh,
but-
yeah.
So we're waiting on spindles for this one because the customer changed his mind on his
On the height?
tire combination.
Oh, okay. And it's way lower than it used to be.
Well, it's too low in the front. It's actually a little bit higher, but right now because the tires were rubbing.
Oh,
When
okay.
you go over a bump, the top of the tire will actually hit the
Oh,
tub.
that's problematic.
It's problematic. So by changing over to the bigger white walls, it changes a lot of different things. We actually have to change the front spindles back over to a stock height, which will raise the front of the bus up and it'll be level. And then it's supposed to go over to an upholsterer to get 2 things done, which weren't under our contract. And then it's supposed to go over to Haley's VW down in Huntsville.
Nice.
So this is what you really want to
Oh,
see.
yeah, you gotta show this. This is pretty awesome. All right, are you guys ready for this? What? All right.
So I think it's bespoke woodworks.
The Spook Woodworks.
And this is all custom made.
This is incredible. Can you open it up and show them? Like, some of these touches in here are just
Well,
incredible.
Yeah, it's strapped through the
Leather
hoop,
strap.
and it's got like
Show the little,
cabinet grade hinges. It's got a little thing.
that's to hold it open or closed. Well, closed, right?
No, this is for like
No, like over there. See how it's holding the drawers closed?
yeah. So these pins, you just pull the pin, and it goes in like right there. So it's just like the little touches.
Well, hold it shut while you're driving, so you don't have
Yeah.
your forks and knives everywhere.
So that's what the pins are for, and so you have a holder for extra pins.
So nice.
And then
Oh,
there's
here's
something
his
for
little-
extra key. Not quite sure what that's for.
Nice.
And then we've got a thermocooler for, it'll fit right in there.
Okay.
And then it's got a Z-bed,
Shelving.
shelving, so he still has to put in the top,
Okay.
and this part,
The headache bar, I think.
headache bar, and then we've got to figure out the headliner and all that other stuff. But
Okay. And a
it's-
mirror back there too, right?
Yeah, there's a mirror from the original,
good.
so it'll be beautiful. And then all of the, so there's the headache bar right there. And we've got to reupholster all of the other stuff, but that's just easy. So
Yeah.
that's really
That's
kind of the cool
amazing.
thing. So if you guys want some bus stuff done,
We got a guy.
we got a guy. Give us a call.
That's pretty awesome.
So that's what's going on around the shop.
Hey, I just spoke with John Alba from Grumpy's Metal.
What up, John?
Yeah.
So we like John Alba at Grumpy's Metal.
Yes, yes.
So-
Can you show off the sweater? Actually, Rodney did it, right?
Yeah.
Rodney made the cut,
Yeah, Rodney made the cut.
and we
So-
don't have the kit in yet.
Yeah, we do. Come on.
Okay. All right, check this out. So if you had a rare 4-month-only vehicle,
Yep.
and and you actually got to own one, would you cut a hole in the roof? Probably
Yep,
not.
we did.
Unless
Yes.
you're Rodney and Stone, of course.
And Spook, because
Spook.
I've done this a couple
Yeah.
times. So the kit from Grumpy's comes with this, comes with the rack, comes with the upholstery. It's basically a complete kit. Drop in, and you're good to go. You don't. It doesn't come with this part of the headliner, but
Okay.
that'll all get done later on.
Yeah. Rodney, how scary was it?
Not.
Not. Where are you, man? Let's go find Rodney.
Don't replace welding wire.
What's that?
Welding wire in the machine.
Oh, yeah. Do you hesitate at all? Like you're about to, no. Do you draw a line? How are you, like I think they're coming with guides for cutting.
No,
Maybe another kit that's coming out, the next version of the kit, but
I just measure.
you just measure twice.
Or
That's
3
what-
times.
That's what it comes with.
All right.
So John, get a clean copy. The yellow highlights and then Xerox doesn't really help.
Oh, yeah. But he also has on his site, there's a guy with a tutorial
Yeah.
showing how.
Yeah.
So that's kind of cool. And apparently he has a whole write-up on Samba as well.
Yes, he does.
So-
And so he's been doing it for a hot minute. And
Yeah.
very good. I know they're moving to their new facilities in Texas.
Nice.
So from what I understand, they're going to cease operations in California and move
Oh.
completely over to Texas. What
Wow.
he was saying.
Yeah. So it's kind of cool. He gave me the history of like how this actually happened. The first time that he brought a roof, like he had done a conversion on a roof,
Yeah.
and brought the roof and a vehicle that he'd also done it to a show, and people wanted to buy the roof. And then the conversion was so seamless that people were like, yeah, but like how would it work if you actually put they thought it was an original.
Yeah.
Like how would it actually work if you actually converted? He's like, that's converted. Like,
Yeah.
what?
Yeah. Maple's converted.
Yeah.
My 69's converted.
Yep.
Black Widow is a convert.
Oh,
this one's a
right.
convert.
Yeah.
And it's all Grumpy Steel.
Nice.
Or Grumpy Metal Works.
Grumpy's Metal, yeah.
Yeah, so we like them. I mean, John does some really good product, and he's really like on top of it.
Yeah.
They also rebuild the ragtop frames from the original.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So they're remaking parts that are not available
Right.
just for that.
And for those of you bus lovers out there who
They-
might have something that doesn't have enough windows for you,
Yep.
they have a little deal where if you can
Yep.
bring your bus there, they'll actually stamp the conversion
Yep.
onto it. So you have your actual roof, but it's also got
Yep.
like these new windows. It's
Yeah.
got the
He's got a thing on
Very cool.
YouTube that I was watching a couple weeks ago on the actual process of doing that. And it's really cool because he's made these portable presses,
yeah.
hydraulic presses. So they just lay it out and then just hit the button.
Yeah.
And then you got it.
And that didn't just happen overnight. I
No.
got the backstory on that, and that's going to go into our new book
Oh, I like
with
that.
Cartech for Build and Modify Your Beetle.
Sweet. Well,
It's going to be about a bus on that part. Well, I'll mention it because some of these folks happen to have more than one VW, right?
well, that's kind of a thing. So, otherwise, that's pretty much what we got going. We're waiting on. We're waiting on the motors for this one. Motor.
This is Ghia.
Yeah, this is
Proji,
this is
the pan.
the one I'm prepping for paint.
Okay.
We're waiting on the engine for this one. Waiting for me to get off my ass and get it painted.
Yes.
See,
Ooh, get busted.
according to my boss over there,
Yep.
I'm running late.
Yes.
Slacker.
Yes. Slacker. And I'm actually even going to take this afternoon off because I have to work tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then we're waiting on the engine for this one,
Okay.
because we're ordering at the same time.
Nice. What kind of engine's going in here?
This one's getting, what do we do, at 1914 or 1835?
1915.
19,
Dual 40.
Nice.
yeah, dual 40 Webers, and this one's getting a 1776, also dual Webers.
A little bit of zip, zip, zip.
Yep. So, and they're moving right along. Restoration Plating out of Spokane will be doing all of the bright work on this.
Oh, okay.
Even the new stuff.
Wow.
So we'll probably get that all ready to go in a couple weeks.
Are they the ones that did Dr. Ann's? Oh,
So,
really nice.
Really well worth it. It's not
I
a
mean,
cheap
it looks better
process,
than
but it's
new.
gorgeous.
It's absolutely gorgeous. Because I know you guys used to work real hard to try to get,
Sure.
you know, the shiny stuff shiny again. And it was, but not compared to this.
No, this is like
This is a whole different thing.
so.
Yeah.
So all
I
the
mean,
bright
feast
work.
your eyes, right?
Yeah, all that bright work. And that's just
That's
their
insanely
driver's
gorgeous.
class. That's not even their show
Really?
quality.
Wow.
So
That's amazing.
we're gonna be
Very
using
cool.
them again. But you know, it's $5 or $6, $7 grand to do all the parts for a car for plating.
Yeah.
But you know, it'll last another 30, 40 years to take care of it.
Right.
So we want it to last, you know, the life of the car. So we always
Sure.
look for the best company to deal with.
Yeah.
And the
then
best
it's
quality
an option.
and-
You know, people have options when they're doing a resto, but
Yeah, it's like, you know, we can buy stainless steel, but they don't
Yeah.
fit quite right.
right. This is
We can buy
amazing.
lower quality pre-chrome stuff, but they're gonna rust within the next couple of years just because it's
Mm-hmm. Right.
not really all that thick of chroming.
Seems like there's always that trade-off between you can get something that's good
Fast,
or you can
cheap-
get
fa-
amazing
fast,
and
cheap,
it's
and good.
expensive. Right, fast, cheap, and good. It's
pick
always
two.
the thing. Yeah,
Pick two.
it's true.
It's not gonna be,
Not getting all three.
no. It's just what it is. And then Mr. Fetterman's bus,
Yeah,
waiting for me to get off my ass and get the other car painted so I can start working on this one.
yeah. We need a couple of paint booths.
Yeah.
Maybe a couple painters.
Need a couple painters too. So that's okay. We are hiring for a mechanic, so if you want to come wrench on dubs,
Okay.
come on out and see us.
How about a guy that can do electrical, huh?
But you know, that would be a plus. And also, if you can run a sewing machine, that would be a plus.
Upholstery, yeah.
So it's like we all do a little bit of everything around here, but
It's true.
definitely have the workload that we need another guy. If
Yeah.
you're, oh, the big board.
The big board. Okay, what's on the board?
So, Mr. Rusty Bus is already in. We're going to start him here in a couple weeks.
Uh-huh.
I
Oh,
haven't-
and I interviewed that guy.
oh, good.
He's
so,
awesome.
so he's pretty funny.
He's fun.
So September we've already got something. October we've already got something. I just haven't written it up. Our next booking is going to be December
You're
for
booking
Resto.
December for resto. Okay. Because
So-
those blank spaces in there, a lot of that is
I
like
just-
shop tickets. or
Well,
you
yeah,
have
there's
to,
shop tickets
like,
and mini
mechanical
builds
stuff,
and
yeah.
mechanicals and it's like we've got one of our local guys coming in from Redstone Arsenal to get a Ghia resurrected. So bumper to bumper safety check, get
Oh,
the
yeah.
engine up and going, clean the fuel system, that kind of thing. So
Fantastic.
he's supposed to be in next week. I've got another guy coming in from Kingsport to do an interior next week.
Oh, cool.
So you know, it's just we do take on the smaller jobs also.
Right.
But, you know, we try to schedule our restorations and have
Try
enough
to
time.
space them out.
So I'm not.
I was
like,
gonna say so that
stacking
we
and
don't
like-
have like, a huge stack of projects.
Yeah, because as soon as I get done with Fetterman's bus, then I'll be into Range's
Yeah.
paint job. So you know, it's kind of one of those we like
And
to
the
keep.
dune buggy.
And then we got a dune buggy that I got to paint. Huh?
Yeah, the dune buggy.
Yeah, and the dune buggy, and then by that time the 21 window might be maybe a quarter way through metal.
Okay.
That thing's rusty.
Yes.
That thing's rusty.
It's really rusty.
So that's pretty much all going on in the shop.
Well, we better shut up and get back to work, eh?
Yeah, I gotta go finish cutting this panel. See ya,
Have
folks.
fun.